Hello, beautiful person watching this video. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello and a very warm welcome to you, and thank you so much for watching. And to you, all my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. On today's episode of Healthy with Benna, I am going to be sharing with you all how I make my homemade granola bars. Now guys, from the picture you can tell that I'm not very good with shapes or cutting. What's most important also here is the fact that it is homemade, guys. It is healthy and you have control over what goes in. This stuff is great for especially kids going back to school. It can be a really great snack option for them. Just easily wrap it up and they grab and go. Now please stick around and I'll share the recipe with you in a moment. So for our granola bars, we will need the following ingredients. I have some old-fashioned rolled oats. I have some raw whole almonds, unsweetened shredded coconut. I have some honey for sweetness and also binding. I have some dried cranberries, some walnuts. I have some coconut oil with some vanilla extract for flavor in there. And I also have some salt. Now the good thing with this recipe is that you can customize it however you want. You can use your favorite nuts, seeds, and just rock your boat the way you want it. And you can easily double the recipe. I'm going to link all the ingredients and the measurements in the description box below. Now to start, guys, I'm going to go in with all our dry ingredients first. So I'll put the almonds. Next I'll go in with the coconut, the dried cranberries, the walnuts, and I'm also going to add in the salt, about a quarter teaspoon of salt. I'll mix everything up together. You want to really mix the ingredients so they can combine together properly. I'll set this aside and then we can proceed to mix our wet ingredients. So for our wet ingredients, I'm going in with the honey first. This is pretty easy. This is a really easy recipe. You can just make it under less than 10 minutes. Put it in the oven and you can continue with your other stuff that you're doing. I have the oil here with the vanilla extract for the flavoring. I'm just going to mix this to combine properly. And I'll add this back to our dry ingredients. So at this point, my oven has been preheated to 350 degrees, guys, while I'm mixing this up. You want to mix it up to really combine properly. Everything mixed up. So I have my baking pan. I just went ahead and sprayed some coconut oil so that granola doesn't stick while it's baking. I'm going to go ahead and just pour in the mixture. So you make sure that you really mix up all your ingredients so that they can properly combine. Just make sure that you bring them all together and make them stick around in your baking pan so that when they come out it's easy to just cut them up. going to take this right now to the oven, and I'm going to bake them for about 20 minutes or until they are golden brown and nice in color, and then I'll come back to you later. So our granola is out of the oven, guys. It's looking nice and golden, just how we want it to be. So I'm just gonna let it cool down completely. So make sure you let it cool down completely because you don't want to mess with it. So it's easier to cut it up into your desired shapes once it's completely cooled down. So guys, these are the bars we could get from our recipe. My kids are loving it. They've already been munching on it. Please try this recipe. Try to make your own granola bars. Even if you cannot make the bars, just make the granola. It's also great for morning cereal time. It's healthy, like I mentioned before. Really making your own stuff at home really helps you a lot to control what goes inside. Thank you so much for watching this video with me, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Kindly consider subscribing so you can join the Healthy with Benna family, so we can continue to grow and encourage each other in that healthy lifestyle journey. Also, when you do subscribe, do not forget to hit the notification bell so every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Until I see you in my next video, please continue to drink lots of water, stay hydrated, and be safe. Thank you. Bye.